News claiming that 17's Joshua is in a romantic relationship has sparked various responses from internet users. Previously, reports circulated suggesting that many fans had begun to suspect a closeness between Joshua and a model named Cho Mi-young. Cho Mi-young herself is known as a model who has appeared on the popular dating show, Before Sunrise. The allegations about the two came about as fans compared a series of outfits they wore. In the view of netizens, the similarity of clothing is considered not a coincidence. Responses from netizens varied, with most agreeing that the number of similar outfits led to suggestions that the relationship between the two might be more than just a casual friendship. However, until now, there has been no official confirmation to corroborate the truth of this news. Neither Joshua's agency, nor Joshua himself, nor Cho Mi-young, has provided any clarification or statement regarding these allegations. Therefore, it is still uncertain whether it is true that the two are in a special relationship or if this is just speculation from fans. 17's fan June is delighted, as he has landed an important role in the C-drama series' exclusive fairy tale. In the drama, June will play the role of Ling Chao, the central character in the story, and he will be starring opposite actress Zhang Niaoyi, who will play the character of Xiao Tu, Ling Chao's friend and lover. The series is adapted from a popular novel titled Once We Come Across Love, and has attracted the attention of many fans since the announcement of the main cast. However, of particular note is the decision to include many kissing scenes involving 17's June. This decision has surprised many fans of the group, and has become a topic of conversation among the fan community. While many have been surprised by the inclusion of these kissing scenes, many have also shown enthusiasm and support for June in his new acting project.